after such a long time. I know this is a vlog, but this video needs an intro because I got right into it. Like, what am I researching for? What am I getting ready for? So I thought I'll explain. This is my first MUN in Delhi University vlog, y'all. And I thought I'd vlog it because this was like the most fun thing happening in my life at the moment. And yeah, it's just me and my friend going for our MUN, and it's super cute. It's super cute. You guys are really gonna enjoy. Also, for all those who came here for real material, I gave my review in the very end, so you guys gotta wait for it. Okay, let's get right into it. In the morning, I just wore my kurti, the outfit that I'm going to be wearing, and I'm charging all my devices. I need to leave by 7:15. I'll actually first be going like around college and then picking up a friend on the way and then going to the metro station. But point being, I'm so tired because I slept so late. My friend was on call and just like telling me what to do until 1 a.m. and then it's 6. The first day is Indian formal, so I'm wearing like a very pretty light suit. My prep has been so last minute because like right before Diwali holidays is the time when every teacher realizes that they want to give a bunch of assignments and conduct a bunch of tests. Also, can we just take a moment to talk about how bad Delhi weather is? And why has it gotten so cold that I've been wearing like sweaters to college? This is the look for the day, everyone. And I also happened to change my earrings because that was just not the vibe. Also, oh my god guys, I put a stop in between, but my Uber wale bhaiya refused to stop at my friend's PG. I don't even know what to do at this point. Like, he just dropped me at the metro station and then my friend had to come alone. How prepared are you?
I'm not prepared. But the thing is, no one knows about my country.
What is your country?
Liechtenstein, which was written as Liechtenstein on the group yesterday. But
This will go on for like
twice.
I feel like you're prepared. You're well prepared. This is very funny. Fans. Guys, there are fans.
What do you want to say?
Huh?
Look at Miranda House.
Yeah, look at Miranda.
Hi.
We are in Miranda House and we are in the line for registration.
For you and materials.
Yeah.
We were in the wrong line earlier.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good. I feel like हम कुछ ना कुछ तो करके आ जाएंगे.
कुछ ना कुछ तो करना
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा हमारे साथ?
है.
No one would even remember us.
Say hi, Bhavi. Hello. You said hi, right? The breakfast was poha, so we just had that and then we rushed to our room so that we could get like a little bit of extra time for prep. We were given these folders with like chits, notepad, pens. We were just taking all of that out for prep. Actually, the correct thing is I was just copying Pia because she's done this before and I was a noob. So I opened like my research doc and then we were given our placards and it kind of just started right after that. How's it going? It's been what, 1 hour into the...
It's decent.
Feb 23. It's
He's
been...
just writing since we were not recognized for the GSM.
I'm trying to understand stuff. My turn for GESM has not come yet and it will not in the current session. I really wanted to give it and then get done with
I
it.
want to send a chit, they're not looking.
Hi, we should network. Oh my god, मेरे वीडियो में भी the only person who's there is you. Yeah, I'm giving it to you. We were given a lunch break and the best part about this lunch break is that none of us have to speak after it. I was done with my speech, and
My speech is yet to be done.
I think it's tomorrow.
Hanging like this by the table, and they're not, and they're seeing and they're like,
So she's gonna give it tomorrow, which is not really the best thing.
I
but
think we can't read the name.
can you pronounce this? If you can pronounce this,
Drop a comment.
yeah, drop a comment.
view to collect their specific concerns and adapting interventions accordingly.
We're done with day 1.
Bye.
Yeah, we're done with day 1, and we were clicking society photos.
We'll resume on day 2.
Yeah, we'll resume on day
this
2.
vlog.
See you tomorrow. We are so excited for tomorrow. We are not, but
We are not excited. Let's be real.
We are done with
We are not.
mid. My only 2 connections of the day.
Yeah, we connected a lot there.
Yeah, I made
Bond, bond.
Yeah, I made 2 connections. Yeah, and
I bonded with this girl who was most probably partial. वो जो मेरे साथ ही आई थी, ब्लैक साड़ी पे उसके साथ एक वाइट कुर्ती में.
You know who that white kurti wali girl was? For day 2, everybody, I did not record getting ready because I was like, you've seen enough. So I'm just gonna leave now. I'm wearing heels, so I don't know how long I'll be able to survive, but let's see about that. Day 2, guys. How are you feeling? You heard your speech today.
I'm feeling sleepy.
Okay, we will see you guys when we actually reach. One thing that I'm never doing again to an anyone is wearing heels. Pia and I are walking
like penguin.
yeah, we are walking like penguins because we don't know how to walk in heels. Our heels are not even that tall.
And the worst thing is my skirt is riding up with it.
So yeah, we have a lot of problems and we are very far away from the room we're supposed to be in. So we are just walking. And we didn't
even eat anything.
Yeah.
We came for breakfast at Tadur.
Yeah, we came for breakfast itna dur.
And Sarah saw the bread pakora and she was like,
I was like, nah, never mind, not gonna eat. So now we're walking back. Yeah, I was also looking at them.
Labor imbalance in social affairs, Vietnamese women still face inequality, discrimination, fronting any kind of discrimination, including violence, loss of livelihood, and barriers to trade.
मैम एक चम्मच भी नहीं है सब लिया आपने.
Done with lunch, guys.
yeah.
You wanted to give a food review.
Oh yeah, I will do the food review. It was nice. It was really nice, but it was a little spicy, but it was nice.
Spicy?
Like
It was
not
bland
in
ass food.
No, it wasn't bland.
It was the nice wala, like the type of spice that you like. Like when it's not too much, but that's flavor.
This got very deep. For no reason.
Now we have thumbs up.
We didn't even talk about our M1 this much. जितना हम लोग spice के बारे में बात किए हैं.
Oh, I gave my GSL today.
Yes, can I include a short part of it in it?
Yeah. But I'm more concerned about the fact that the EV looked at my placard for 5 minutes and then he turned his face and then he recognized me after 4-5 people.
Yeah.
What's wrong with him?
But I mean, you are a very alag sa.
Yeah, he was like, wait, let me just...
Google how to pronounce a country. Yeah, so now we are going back. It's 1:05. We are supposed to get dispersed at 3:30 for the closing
If you
ceremony.
think we're walking slow on this video, we are.
My legs are dead. That's taking us like 10 minutes to reach past Jagah. But
Sarah wanted to go to the washroom.
yeah,
That took a big chunk out of our lunch break.
because we just can't walk in heels. Me especially. But yeah. Okay, we're gonna go back.
2-3 times Sarah has gone to
Okay.
One,
So we have to write unanimous chits.
And anonymous chits. And everyone's like buzzing.
But what do we write about?
Write something about the EB.
Girl, why did you mansplain it?
I don't know, I'm writing something which is gonna be very funny. What the hell? I wanna write what the hell was that.
Right. They'll just be like, oh, it was the first time, but guys, I'm sure. Guys, chit was just read out and it said Argentina's very cute. Guess who's Argentina?
We're getting our placards signed. Show up, na? Yeah. We made some connection, guys.
With each other.
But everyone's now getting the
EB
signs. EB ka signs they're getting.
So we will show you.
Yeah.
So this is ma'am के side की भीड़ and this is sir के side की भीड़.
Yeah, you can see the difference. We're so tired. What's the nepo? Nepo baby sa ho gaya. It's already
6:35.
What the hell? It's already 7.
6:35.
Actually 35. I was saying 53. You're so tired.
We just got a seat actually. We were sitting on the stairs.
We were sitting on the floor, guys.
But this girl in a very nice sari is talking right now.
I'm gonna go back home and give you all the update about MUN.
What the hell?
Yeah, Old Ali. We're going home at night.
We're going home, guys.
Yeah, we're finally going home. People are fighting right now with the EV.
We literally stopped at. I stopped at 2 fights and she was like, "Chale." And I was like, "Wait now."
She was like, wait, let me find people who will tell me about the drama later. People are fighting with the EV about unfair decisions.
It was unfair, but like,
Yeah.
what can we do?
Going back home, guys, and I am so tired. My heels are just killed me already. And in general, it's very late now, and I don't think they thought that we'll get this day. It was so tiring, and I can't wait to go back home and first of all have food and then crash. Just crash. Tomorrow I have a 9 AM class. Hey guys! I got home and I crashed. Like, I had food and then I went to sleep because it was a really long day for us. It was a 12-hour long day. I left my house at 8 AM. I came back at 8 PM. Insane if you ask me, because the closing ceremony was supposed to be 3:30 onwards. It started at 6:30 PM. So that is why it just got really late. But this was supposed to be like a fun vlog, but I thought I'll give you my review about my first MUN ever. So if you're like a beginner as well, it might just help you out. So if you did not watch the vlog properly, the MUN was in Miranda House and it took place on the 11th and 12th of October, and the delegation fee was rupees 1600, which is the general delegation. All the MUNs in Delhi University have their fees around that price. For how the MUN went, first of all, I just went there for experience, but people who had done this before were not very happy with the management. We got our training session at 10 PM the day before. Some people got their links at 11 PM. We received no background guides. The MUN is over and it's been a couple of days, but we've still not received the mark sheet, which we were told we would get immediately. So people were not very happy with all of this. The food was really good though. They provide you breakfast and lunch, so that was really nice. I, like I mentioned before, went there to just understand how things work. So I went for a beginner committee, which was UNW, and I was representing Argentina. If you're doing this for the first time, I would recommend going for a beginner committee, which is usually UNW, United Nations Women, or WHO, because they were explaining everything like step by step. Even in between, the executive board was defining everything, was repeating, was explaining step by step. So that was also a really good thing. I felt like I learned a lot. And yeah, I think that is about it. I'm not going to bore you guys because I just don't think anybody cares a lot. If you care, then comment down below. I'm going to answer anything. Also, one thing I know for sure is there has been a vlog that is pending, and it is just talking about my college, CUET experience, stuff like that. I know guys, I know it's been months, but I am waiting to go back home for my Diwali break so I can do this stuff, like make a proper sit down video, because guys, home is just home. I'm gonna do that very soon. And yeah, that is about it. I hope you guys enjoyed me and Pia yapping the entire vlog. But if you did, then show some love to Pia, guys. And yeah, like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye, see you guys soon. Bye.